Hello and welcome to eCommerce Facts. Today, we're going to talk about how you can use the latest technology to grow your e-commerce business. Specifically, we're going to be talking about ChatGPT, a cutting-edge artificial intelligence tool that can help you automate various tasks and improve customer engagement. If you like this video, we also encourage you to check out our previous video, The Rise of ChatGPT in the E-commerce Industry, to find even more information on how ChatGPT is currently affecting this market. As an e-commerce business owner, you're always looking for ways to improve your processes and increase sales. ChatGPT can help you do just that. It can answer customer questions, handle support inquiries, and even provide recommendations and upsells. In this script, we'll dive into the many benefits of using ChatGPT and how it can help you grow your e-commerce business. Benefits of using ChatGPT for your e-commerce business. Improved customer engagement. With ChatGPT, you can provide 24/7 support to your customers. Customers can get instant answers to their questions and can even place orders directly through the chatbot. This improves the customer experience and can lead to increased loyalty and repeat business. Increased efficiency. By automating various tasks such as answering frequently asked questions, you can free up your staff to focus on more important tasks. This can help improve your overall efficiency and reduce costs. Increased sales. ChatGPT can provide personalized recommendations and upsells to customers based on their previous purchases and browsing history. This can lead to increased sales and revenue for your business. Better data insights. ChatGPT can collect data on customer interactions, including what they are looking for, what they are interested in, and what they are buying. This data can help you understand your customers better and make informed decisions about your business. Implementing ChatGPT for your e-commerce business. Integration. To start using ChatGPT, you'll need to integrate it with your e-commerce platform. This can usually be done through an API or a plugin. Training. Once ChatGPT is integrated with your platform, you'll need to train it to handle specific tasks. This can be done by providing it with a list of questions and answers, or by using machine learning algorithms to allow it to learn on its own. Monitoring and optimization. Once ChatGPT is up and running, you'll need to monitor its performance and make updates as needed. This can include updating the list of questions and answers, or adjusting the algorithms used for recommendations and upsells. In conclusion, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for your e-commerce business. By improving customer engagement, increasing efficiency, and increasing sales, it can help you grow your business and stay ahead of the competition. If you're interested in learning more about ChatGPT and how it can help your e-commerce business, be sure to visit our website or contact us for more information. Thanks for watching eCommerce Facts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks on growing your e-commerce business.